Oh my gosh. I have been spending too much money on keyboard stuff in the last month and a half. It's kind of getting unhealthy. Much better. So today we have a lot of cool stuff to go over. As the title suggests, we've got roughly about, I want to say $2,500 worth of keyboard items to go through, which I'm not going to open all of them. Just going to show you guys some of the cooler items and then some of the already opened ones, because I will probably sell some of them off, and it's just like, it's easier to sell something if it's still nicely freshly sealed, but we'll get to that later. Change up the camera angle and let's pretty much get right to it. Oh, beforehand, before we start the unboxing, or whatever you want to call it, the haul video from Mechmarket, Discord, our link is in the description below to the PC Concepts Discord server. Go ahead, check that out. I have a Reddit bot that monitors all the posts for r/Mechmarket, so that's how I'm always on top of it and getting some pretty good deals on stuff. So anyway, let's get right to it. So the first item we have for you today, the KBD Fans MK67 V2, a nice little board, polycarbonate case. It's got the brass weight on the back. Pretty nice. It's got a couple little factory blemishes, but nothing you can't buff out if you put in the effort into doing that. I do like the board. I'm not a huge fan of polycarbonate cases, especially clear ones. I don't know why I'm not huge on clear cases, at least not with this setup. Actually, we can use the second item, which is a 65% GMK Red Samurai keycap set. We can go ahead and put these on the board and give you guys a quick little sound test. So we have a few of the keycaps onto the board there. This is again the GMK Red Samurai. I bought this used, for a matter of fact, which I paid a little more than I would have liked to, but I was impatient and I didn't want to wait for mine to come in, because I actually bought into this group buy from Drop. And I was like, dude, this is taking forever. I'm just gonna buy one off of Reddit, and whenever mine gets to me, it'll get to me. So ironically, just the other day, I don't know why I said just the other day, because that was literally today. I'm walking out the door and look what I get. I get two GMK Red Samurai keycap sets. Solid looking set. Will go with a lot of different keyboard colors and combinations. If this was a black case, like a fully black, solid black case, this would be a perfect match for this keycap set, especially with the brass weight on the back. It just complements the gold tones of the cap so well. But anyway, you have the GMK Red Samurai. Not a bad set. Let's go ahead and listen to some of the other keys here. So there you have it. That is the KBD Fans MK67 V2 with the GMK Red Samurai keycap set. The keycap set came in pretty decent condition. There is some noticeable shine just in the QWER, but the rest of the keycaps look pretty solid, so no complaints there. Let's go ahead and see what else we got. Here we have the EPBT Cool Kids with some of the little novelties and extensions for the space bars and blank keys and whatnot. The packaging is a little roughed up. It looks like there was some color bleeding here, but it is what it is. Straight from KBD Fans, you have the nice graphic on the back of the box. Let's go ahead and open this up for you guys. So we have it here, the EPBT Cool Kids. I'm not going to be taking the keycaps out of their tray just to keep them brand new. I do have this available on our website, the concepts.jp website. Link is in the description below. I do have this posted up on there. It is the whole kit with the little smiley face novelties, and again the little extras pretty much for the space bars and some blank keys in there. This is a fun looking set. It's all just kind of laying around on top of the keycaps, all the little letters and whatnot. Very whimsical. Interesting. You don't see too many keycaps with kind of a motif like this. Again, I would take this out of the tray, but I do want to keep it in perfect condition for whoever buys it on the website. So I'm going to put that back in there. And here you just have little novelties that are smiley faces. kind of cute. But so there you have it, the EPBT Cool Kids. Let's see what else we got. Here we got a couple brand new sealed GMK sets. We have the Olivia Dark Kit. I actually had the light kit, but I traded it for another GMK set, which you guys will see very soon once I get that in the mail. The Peach Blossom, I believe that's what it's called. Yeah, Peach Blossom. Again, brand new, unopened. Don't want to open these, again, just because they're on the website. But we do have another GMK set here that I can't open for you guys since it's already been opened, which is a classic, the GMK Camping. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box here. I just love the art on there. Doesn't that look so nice? And you have the Hiragana sub-legends there with this, like, it's hard to describe. It almost looks closer to an olive in person. I know the camera, the coloring can be a little bit different, but it's a very nice olive, darker olive, and then you have the cream alphas there and whatnot. But yeah, there you have it, the GMK Camping Round 2. Nice little kit. This also has, if I'm not mistaken, let me go check. I also have the novelties, all of the novelties. They're in their little baggie here, as well as the Spacebars kit. I like this. It's almost like a nice dark maroon, kind of a light chocolate, milk chocolate brown. It's hard to describe, but yeah, nice little novelties kit. Moving on from this, let's see the last couple items we have. Here we have another GMK set. We have the Metaverse. I actually picked this up today. I met the guy in person here locally, picked it up, paid him cash, and yeah, smooth transaction. This this keycap set has a little bit of an issue, which we will get to in a second. I also bought the Taro novelties from him. Nice little novelty kit for the GMK Taro. Hoping to pick that up soon. Moving back on to the Metaverse, I love the packaging. The packaging looks amazing. This is a brand new keycap set. He just opened it for a very specific reason, which I will tell you here. This keycap set had a small bit of quality control, issue over at GMK, where I don't know if I'm going to be able to capture this on camera, but the Q row here has a slightly different texture than all of the other keys in the set, where the texturing is just off. Like, I can feel it. I don't know if you can tell. It is brand new though. He just wanted to check because apparently some kits had the issue, some didn't, and his has the issue. He signed up for the fixed kit where this whole row and the 5 key will have they'll send you, GMK is going to send you a replacement, or send him a replacement I should say, and he's going to give that to me whenever he gets that in, hopefully soon. Hopefully he's not waiting too long for that. Metaverse got the short end of the stick because I am running out of time for the video here. But next up we have the Mass Drop AltLaser, and the seller actually was nice enough. He gave me a free coiled cable, and this thing is sleek, so definitely going to keep this. It's going to be part of my collection. Here we have the laser. Boom, pull this out. You have all your little accessories in there. You have all your little accessories. You have your magnetic foot extension with your rubber bump on the bottom, switch puller, and also a keycap puller, and your USB-C cable right there. Put that off to the side, and let's take a look at the board real quick. Let's take a listen in on the switches here. Super tactile. Let's put a keycap on there. A little pingy. The springs need to be lubed. Lubing tactile switches can mess with the tactility a little bit, so usually you want to use a oil like a Krytox 105. Not just for the spring, but I guess you can lube the sides of the stem as well. But yeah, there you have it. The AltLaser, nice little colorway. Kind of matches the cable, which again, thank you man, I appreciate that. I wish I had more to show you of this board, but we are again running out of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out one last item for you guys. I've already skipped over a few, But I want to show you this last board just because I haven't shown as many keyboards off here. So we put this over to the side and open this up. So here we have a board, and it came with a ton of little accessories. You got some stabilizers there, your screws, another set of stabilizers, and a couple hot swap sockets in case you need to switch them out. We have a full aluminum, I think this is the ID80. So here we go. There are a couple imperfections on the board just because the metal can scratch, especially when you're taking switches in and out. Full metal back plate, looks great. Nice heavy board. He also threw in some switches, 2 whole packs of switches, and this kind of ugly keycap set. But the board is alright, nothing crazy. You get what you pay for. I think I paid, I don't know, somewhere $150 or something. I don't know, nothing crazy. And it came with the nice Durox stabilizers, the kit there, so can't complain about that. I do want to open this up and get inside, maybe add some foam, tweak this a little bit, and this will be a very nice board. You got your function keys, your arrow keys, and then a couple little macros on the side there. But I've got a lot more stuff coming my way, but I am just so exhausted right now. It is almost 8 a.m. and I have not gone to bed yet. I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. But yeah, we'll be doing more Mechmarket pickups in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you all have a great New Year's. Take it easy. Peace out.